Many people think keto means eating large amounts of fat, and many people think vegan means eating large amounts of carbohydrates. But the real difference is not keto versus vegan. The real difference is structure versus chaos. What I am doing right now is intermittent fasting combined with one meal a day. When you fast, your insulin drops and your body switches to stored fat as fuel. That is when ketones are produced. If you eat multiple times per day, you interrupt that process again and again. But if you fast and then eat one structured high-protein meal, you stay much more stable in ketosis. I track this with a continuous ketone monitor so I can see how my body responds throughout the day.
https://www.sibio.com/ALINACULTA.
Now let me show you 3 meal ideas. Each one is designed to realistically hit around 100 grams of protein. The first meal is a high-protein savory scramble. Take 200 grams of tofu and 100 grams of tempeh. Add 100 grams of dry textured vegetable protein and soak it first. Cook everything in 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Add 200 to 300 grams of vegetables. Then, add 100 milliliters of coconut milk mixed with nutritional yeast and spices. This meal provides approximately 100 grams of protein and around 1,600 to 1,800 kilocalories. The second meal is the no-cook version. Take 2 blocks of smoked tofu, around 360 grams. Then add a yogurt bowl. Use 400 grams of skyr or a high-protein soy yogurt. Add 2 tablespoons of almond butter, 3 tablespoons of hemp seeds, and about 30 grams of berries. Sweeten with monk fruit, stevia, and vanilla powder. This combination provides approximately 95 to 100 grams of protein and around 1,600 to 1,800 kilocalories. The third meal is a high-protein baked pancake or waffle. Take 60 grams of protein powder and 30 grams of almond flour. Add 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed mixed with water for binding. Add 100 milliliters of plant milk and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Sweeten with monk fruit, stevia, and vanilla powder. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius for about 20 minutes. Then, add a protein smoothie with 40 grams of protein powder and 200 milliliters of plant milk. This meal provides approximately 100 grams of protein and around 1,500 to 1,700 kilocalories. The most important part is not perfection, it is structure. After your meal, move your body for 5 to 15 minutes. This helps your body return to fat-burning mode faster. That is how you stay in ketosis consistently. There is one more factor that most people ignore: sunlight. Your metabolism is not only influenced by food, but also by light. Exposure to natural daylight supports your mitochondria, your hormones, and your overall energy regulation. Try to get sunlight around midday and expose your arms and legs when possible. If you live in a country with very little sunlight during winter, it can make sense to occasionally spend time in sunnier environments. Also, do not forget the basic supplements: omega-3 from algae oil, a complete multivitamin with vitamin B12 and vitamin D3 with K2, magnesium, creatine, and 2 Brazil nuts per day for selenium. This is not about restriction. This is about structure. Make no compromises. Keto and vegan can work. Simple, fast, and effective. Subscribe for more.